This is the Oppo Reno8 Pro phone. It isn't a flagship phone nor is it a budget category. It's considered a mid-tier phone, but after using this for a few weeks, it feels like a high-end phone. One of the most impressive things about the phone is the look. The all-metal unibody construction feels really premium. One look and I thought I was looking at a Samsung Galaxy S series phone. I really do hope Oppo continues with this kind of construction because modern phones, mid-tier, budget, you name it, it has to have that look. But they went a little crazy on how much gloss and reflection they put on their backs. Saying that this phone is a fingerprint magnet is actually an understatement. This is like an archive. The display AMOLED panel is now 6.7 inches, Full HD resolution 2412 by 1080p. Despite a mid-tier phone, the high refresh rate of the screen is 120 Hz. Cool, the phone unlocks by the super fast in-display fingerprint reader, and since a lot of us are still wearing masks out in the public, this is really handy. Battery runtime is pretty decent too. You can get 8 to 10 hours on a full charge. You can extend it a bit more if you were to switch to 60 Hz screen refresh rate. If 8 to 10 hours of battery runtime still makes you anxious, the VOOC fast charging will definitely make you more confident. 16 minutes charge can get you all the way to 50% battery, and that's awesome. Now moving on to cameras, it has a 3-camera system, a main 50 megapixel one which is the best one and the only one you should care about. The zoom camera and the wide camera are okay, but not the best that I've seen on a newer phone. I just have to highlight something about the 50 megapixel main camera though, that the colors look a bit saturated, a tad more than I enjoy. An example would be this picture with the AI on, HDR on, and taken on a 50 megapixel main camera. The actual colors are a bit more muted than what you are seeing. So it does bump up the saturation a bit. Other than that, the details are good, the sharpness is there, highlights are maintained. The only thing it does not do well is taking photos against the backlight. The HDR isn't HDR enough. The wide-angle camera isn't the best that I've seen. I do not really like the image quality that it generates. The details and the colors are a bit washed out even when the AI is turned on. I absolutely like the front-facing camera, the portrait mode specifically. Armed with the new Sony IMX709 sensor, the edge detection is fantastic. I took a few sample shots and they turned out really good. If anyone is interested in a benchmark, this is via Antutu, and here's the score. Just want to note that the score is slightly higher than the Samsung Galaxy S9, and the S9 was released 4 years ago. So that might give you a reference on its performance. The phone has 2 variants, glazed green and glazed black, weighing only 183 grams and priced at $750 on both Lazada and Shopee. My overall thoughts? Phone companies seem to rarely get it wrong with their new phone releases these days. For me, any new phone can be considered as a good buy. The Oppo Reno8 Pro is one that you won't go wrong if you were to get it. At $750 with this nice construction and build, good front-facing camera for your selfies, the main 50 megapixel camera doing what a camera phone should be doing, and an overall good performance, this phone is a good consideration. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you do enjoy it, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until the next one, I'll see you. Bye!